As we understand balance, it's like, where's the balance point? Okay, so the balance point for challenge is to understand that every challenge has to have a solution. There's not just arbitrary challenges floating around for no reason because we're on the planet. So that's like an alignment tool. That's a good alignment tool. That's a finding optimism, confidence, that kind of thing. So we can say, okay, here's a challenge, identify the challenge, knowing that there's a solution. And we can even reverse engineer that. So when people say, when people do the conspiracy theorist stuff, there's no solution. It's like, what's the solution? There's people in power that are smarter than us and there's nothing we can do about it. That's not the real challenge. That's not the challenge because there's no solution attached. So the challenge has to have some kind of a solution attached. And so that's balance.